check this out. The bulldozer's about ready to eat a pizza that I come up with. And look at this right here. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. No, take a picture. There we go. Alright. Now on this pizza, I got ham,
onions, pepperoni.
Well, it's fried ham, fried onions, fried peppers, banana peppers, and then cheese before that, and then when I put it all together right there, then cheese on top of it, and so it hold it all together. So I'm about to give this a try right here because it's still hot. And these are one of these microwave pizzas that you can buy at Kroger, right, babe?
Yep.
Yep, Kroger. How many of them comes in a?
6.
6 of them comes in a
box.
In a box. And we got some good news for our YouTube channel show. So we might have a primary sponsor. So stay tuned for more to come. So but here we go. The bulldozer's going to give this a try. Oh, whoops.
It's going in his beard.
Oh my gosh. I'm telling you what. We're going to name this. We're going to name this the Bulldozer Pizza. The Bulldozer's Ham Pizza. There you go. With extra cheese. Oh, delicious. I'm telling you. Good. And some barbecue chips. Yeah. Wait a minute. They ain't done yet. No. I'll show you. No, wait a second here. Hang on. And you know, I got a roll with a L8. The Bulldozer. That's how he rose. That and coffee. And Sprite and that's about it. Yeah. Get you some L8. Try one of those pizzas there. Make you one. Try one of those. Bet you it'd be pretty good. Let us know in the comment box what you think about it. And man, it's delicious. It's some barbecue chips. Pretty good. Like, share, subscribe to the show. Thanks. The Ghost of Family Adventures reality show.